Samsung's upcoming Unpacked event is on August 11th. Now, courtesy of Evan Blass, we already know all the gadgets Samsung plans to unveil that day, and that includes the much anticipated foldables, the Galaxy Z Fold 3, and the Z Flip 3. Now, the most important factor in widespread adoption of foldables is the price. Now, the first generation Z Fold costed a whopping $2,000 as did its successor. But with the Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3, Samsung is going to really push the foldables to the average consumer. As per reports from South Korea, the Galaxy Z Fold price will be finalized in the $1,650 to $1,750 price range, which on the higher end is still going to be $250 cheaper than the Z Fold 2. Now, the real surprise is with the Galaxy Z Flip 3. The price range for the Z Flip 3 is expected to be anywhere between $1,050 to $1,100, with the final pricing expected to be closer to $1,100. Now, even at this price point, it is going to see an impressive 25% price reduction when compared to its predecessor. Along with these price reductions, Samsung is also expected to really push trade-in offers, with the highest rates being offered for existing foldable owners. Now, with the Note 21 Ultra being shelved this year, many users will be tempted to upgrade to a foldable, considering the lower price point and the incentivized trade-in offers. Now, apart from this, the next-gen foldables are also looking pretty tempting with the specs and upgrades being offered. Now, before we get started with the specs, be sure to subscribe and support the channel. Now, the dimensions of the Z Fold 3 reveal it being thinner than its predecessor. Both the cover and inner displays are Super AMOLEDs, support 120Hz refresh rate, and measure 6.2 and 7.55 inches respectively. Now, another cool feature is a 16-megapixel under-display selfie camera, which is going to be a first for Samsung. Other features include the S Pen support, side-mounted fingerprint scanner, 4500 mAh battery, triple camera setup, with the ultra-wide camera also acting as a macro lens, and the telephoto being a 2x optical zoom. Now, the smartphone also features Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor, 12 or 16 gigs of RAM, with 256 or 512 gigs of storage variants, including Samsung Pay and an official IP rating. The Z Flip 3, on the other hand, is supposedly going to feature a 6.7-inch 120Hz refresh rate display with slimmer bezels when compared to the Z Flip 2. It is also going to feature a 1.83-inch outer display, which again is going to be larger than its predecessor. It also features Snapdragon 888 processor, 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of internal storage, 3300 mAh battery, 10 megapixel selfie camera, dual rear camera setup, side-mounted fingerprint scanner, official IP rating, and a disappointing 15-watt wired charging. Other products being unveiled at the Unpacked event include the much-awaited Galaxy S21 FE, Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, Galaxy Watch Active 4, and Galaxy Buds 2. Now, looks like it is going to be a packed event. As always, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.